tips with Trudy, but Tuesdays. Is it Tuesday?
No, that's
Monday.
okay.
Monday. No, it's
Sunday.
Sunday. Sucks. Sunday.
Might want to come, Georgia, closer.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. Oh.
Look at me for a second.
I guess that thing kind of is, but no.
It goes on the side. That goes, yep, on the top. And that one goes underneath it, like other way. Yep, no, yep. Nope. Sideways? Clip it in there. Clip it in there. Sideways. Sideways.
Oh.
This professional shark that looks like R2D2. D2.
Close.
R2D2?
R2D2.
It looks like R2D2. It's like ASAP Rocky. So I know we give it a really good carpet vacuum with some people. Holy okay, hold on. Shark! Oh, we forgot to plug it in. Here's me and my bar cameras.
Yeah, you don't get to be like seductive and sexy.
I'm going to show you how to fold a shit seat. Okay. Also, when Sarah's wiping things, she uses 2 fingers.
Because you have to get the.
It's like I could do something else right in the shower.
Take 1.
Just bit that piece of skin off your lip right there.
Oh, action.
Why do I do it? Today we're gonna clean some Apple ear stuff.
Headphones.
Yeah. The pickles are not self-sit.
That's a tongue twister.
So they have to be sit in the refrigerator. They're shelf stable in 4 weeks.
They're
you have
not
to,
shelf stable.
Not shelf stable. Not self.
They're not shelf stable.
They have to go in the
be
fridge.
refrigerator.
Okay, they need the pickle. The cucumbers have to sit in the fridge, and the carrots have for 3 weeks, and the carrots have to sit for 6 weeks.
4 weeks and 6 weeks.
4 weeks and 6 weeks. Pickles are good for 4. Since these are refrigerator pickles, you can eat them. You have to leave them in the fridge. You have to put them in the fridge.
Bone.
That's fine. Oh.
Somebody on Instagram asked me why I didn't have my spy glasses on because I was vacuuming under the bed with my phone. And this is my results that aren't super conclusive, but inconclusive? No, conclusive. Is conclusive a word? Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay.
This side, right on the blue part,
Yeah.
grab the front of it, where you're, yeah, but you have to
Handle.
There you go.
Seamless.
Don't ask me to just sign them up. I just nodded.
Are we gonna use this one, Sarah? Is that one
Gorgeous and sensual.
That's exactly what I was trying for. I was going for sexy. Question. I don't remember.
Okay.
Up here for thinking, down here for dancing. My eyes.
Two constant eye updates.
Oh my god! She looks like...
Here. Kayla can go here and there.
That
'Cause
is
we're not
okay.
gonna get content in here.
This Bissell, this is the Ferdinator.
This is the Bissell.
Fernator.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, this is the Bissell Fur Finder.
Fernator. What do you?
Okay, this is the... What'd you call it?
Fur Guard.
Fur guard?
Bissell Power Queen Fur Guard.
I was gonna call it a Fernado. This is the Fernator?
Fur Guard.
Fur guard, okay.